Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video, we are going to discuss how to update Windows to Windows 11 25H2. So with that being said, let's get started. Officially, Windows 11 25H2 has been released for all the supported Windows device, and you can easily update your device from the Windows settings. Let me show you how. For that, simply open settings. Now here, scroll down and click on Windows Update and click on Check for Updates. And here you should get Windows 11 version 25H2 download option. Simply click on Download and Install All and wait for the installation process to complete. Once it gets installed, simply close the settings. Then right click on Start button, click on Shutdown and click on Restart to apply the changes. After that, to verify whether you have installed Windows 11 25H2 or not, you can simply open Settings, click on System, then scroll down and click on About option and scroll down to Windows Specification, and here you should get the version of Windows which is installed on your device. As you can see, we have successfully updated our Windows device to Windows 11 25H2. So that's for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.